Guys, this is Junior Trade. In this video, I want to answer some questions which are going around over social media. This is an online forex class set for beginners. These questions certainly go around social media. What is forex? What is forex? How can I access the forex market? Who are the people that can trade in the forex market? Most especially beginners do ask this question. Please don't know who some people that don't know how to start. As a beginner, you have to know that there are certain steps that you can start trading with forex. First of all, this is it. You have to know what is forex. What is it by itself? As a beginner, you have to know what is it. What is a forex market? Forex market is an acronym derived from two Greek words. For forex meaning for meaning foreign, while the X meaning an exchange. The word foreign exchange, when you match the word two words, it means foreign exchange. Exchange is a global currency market. Forex market is a global currency market where individuals, business people, and institutions buy and sell different currency pairs with the aid of or goal of making profits. How do they do that? Which currencies are they trading? What is the meaning of currency pair? Currency pair are match currency of two different countries. The coming to match two countries between, for example, let's say Nigerian naira, euro USD. The match of these two currency is known as the pair. The business between the two, that means there's a transaction going between Nigerian currency and the United States dollars. Let's for another example are AUD USD, Australian dollars, United States dollar, Australian dollar, United States dollar, European currency, United States dollar. It's also an example, Euro USD, and also Euro GBP, Euro currency versus Great Britain pounds is also an example. Other tradable instrument can be XAUSD, which is the gold spot. It is a popular currency. It is a popular instrument that traders used to trade. XBRUSD. There's also indices like US30, volatility index, and so on and so forth. Also stocks in form of company shares are sell in form of stocks which can be traded online are like Coca-Cola, Tesla, Apple, Meta, Microsoft. That's it. That big companies that are in America. Also example of stocks which can be traded as in the forex market. Yes. The second question is that how can I access the forex market? As a beginner, how can you access the forex market? What are certain strategies? What is the strategy that I can use to access the forex market? Here is it. As a beginner, you can access the market through various platforms. Platform number one which we have are forex market can be accessed through trading platforms such as MetaTrader 5 or 4. There are certain apps like this. This is the one I'm using. MetaTrader 5 is the app that I'm using for my trade as a trading platform. And there is MetaTrader 4, which is mainly for beginners. As a beginner, advisably, if you are starting, you can start with MetaTrader 4, while 5 MetaTrader 5 is more com- complicated and advanced. Other types of platforms can be CTrader, which is used by highly professional traders. TradingView is also used by professional traders. Then the next the next thing on how you can access the market are broker. What is a broker? Broker is a third party app that allows traders to perform transactions. It's a platform that will be access to deposit your money or withdraw your money after making profits. You can only use it for transaction, not but certain apps can use for trade also, but while some can't. And it can be linked with trading platform for market transaction executions. If you want to enter a trade buy, if you want to buy or sell, you can use it. You can use link your broker with your MetaTrader 5. How, the next question to answer is question is it number 3. I have answered this question. How can I access the market? Which you can access it through trading platform and broker when it links together. Yes, who are the people that can trade in the forex market? Mostly people do ask, who are the people that trade? From where the source of money is coming? Who are the people that participate in forex trading? Here are examples of people that do participate, the major players and the minor players. Yes, here is it. The major players are, here is it, types of market participants. There are retail traders. Retail traders, as you as individual, you can also trade in the market to buy and sell and make profit for your personal gain. You can use your money, any amount you have, from minimum to maximum of your wish for you to access the market. Institutional traders are professional traders. It's also an example of people that participate in trading. A professional trader who works for banks, hedge funds, and other financial institutions. They are major key players in the financial market makers. It's also example. Banks and brokerages. Brokerages is a third party app that you use to deposit your money, that provide liquidity to the market for buying and selling. Yes, they provide liquidity. How? By investing large amount of funds. Yes, that's how market makers do play their roles. Central banks that intervene in the forex market to manage their country's currencies and economies. Yes, most of especially the currencies were named after the CBN bank of the country. Yes, they are the key major players who provide liquidity. They make use of their money, though they provide the name for the money, and they have control over the market. And so also the IC market. C market is a special tax are special people who institution who control the entire trading platform. All the instrument trading platform brokerages is controlled by the IC market. They are the major players. They are the one who control all the system meant for trading. Yes, central banks. Yes, commercial companies. Yes, like for commercial companies like who sells their shares in form of stock do play a key role in terms of providing liquidity. Liquidity means large amount of money that can make the market to move up or move down as for profits. Yes, As for the forex market, one thing, some people, if you buy, you can make, if the market is buying and you buy, you can make profit, and if it is selling, you sell, you can also make profit. There is it for this video. See you in the next video. I will explain certain terminologies you can use to trade market as a beginner, which can be helpful for you to start your journey. Thank you.